Congratulations to everyone who have finished the first 2 weeks of Grace Summer Camp at Van Houston Academy. In the past weeks, we have learned to practice gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement.
Lazy dragon fruit, we're always fierce and bright. Competition scared, cause we're gonna fight. Victory's ours, right from the start. Dragon fruit so strong, we'll tear you apart. Like Mike Tyson, we cannot be beat. Strong with us, you'll taste defeat. Gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, engagement.
Are y'all ready to go crazy?
We're ready to go bananas! Flaming bananas!
Flaming on 6, bananas on 6. 1, 2, 3, flaming! 4, 5, 6, bananas! Kangaroo! 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 Kangaroo!
We go take for take! We go win for win! Serve the take with grace, they go in first place! Take! Who? Blue! Take! Who? Blue! Take! Who? Blue! Take! Who? Blue!
Who are we?
Raging Lions! Making a bank of fire! Surely cuts!
Who are we?
We're Raging Lions! We are the kings! We hold the reins! Who are we? We're Raging Rice! We live by grace values, with these values in our hearts, and our minds sealed on the prize. Never will we fall. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Above and so high, like a diamond in the sky. Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do. That's it, no more. Everyone hold it. I am a miracle. I am me. I am awesome. I am strong. I am love.
So let's notice how they use grace in their lives. So one thing they learned from Grace here is they said that they use grace breathing to calm down. Now, I really like that idea. I think grace breathing is very good too. So
I breathe in peace, and I breathe out love. I breathe in peace, and I breathe out love.
I am a
Miracle.